Welcome back! In this video, I'll show you how to create a modern typography design in Adobe Illustrator. I start by using a basic font such as Myriad Pro. Then, I duplicate the text layer by holding Alt and bring the copied layer to the front. Next, I convert the text to outlines and ungroup it so the shapes can be edited individually. A thin vertical rectangle is created and rotated while holding Shift to constrain the angle. I duplicate this shape and use the Blend tool with specific blend options to generate evenly spaced lines. After expanding the blend, I combine the text and the rectangle shapes using the Shape Builder tool, holding Alt to remove the unnecessary parts. For the original text layer, I change the fill to Stroke, duplicate it using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+B, and make sure the lower layer appears on top. I apply the blend effect again with different settings. And expand the result. Select layers 1, 3, and 5, then filled and stroked in black to achieve the second visual effect shown in the video. To further customize the typography, I ungroup the main text group and enter isolation mode by double-clicking the selected layer. Using the Direct Selection tool, I adjust anchor points to reshape specific letters. For the creative text, I rotate it vertically, convert it to outlines, and use the same method as the letter I. Next, I create a circular element and apply offset path to create an outline. Then combine selected shapes using the Shape Builder tool. Then, I apply color to the circle. Finally, I add a subtitle to complete the poster layout. This process allows you to build a bold, modern typography composition using simple shapes, blend effects, and precise anchor point editing in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something useful from it. Don't forget to like and follow for more videos. Goodbye, and see you next time!